Now, the fact of the tyranny of number is what now the government of Ruto is working on, to make sure the tyranny of number in Mount Kenya is neutralized by registering people in northeastern and in Dadaab camps to become members who can vote. And they are targeting to raise more than 4 million voters from that region to counter the Kikuyu or Mount Kenya votes. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
The other day, Murkomen said they have in West Pokot and those areas, there are about 700,000 votes that need to be registered. They are not saying in Muranga there are 600,000 votes that have not been registered. They are not saying in Kiambu there are 1 million votes that have not been registered. They are saying northeastern, there are people there. And remember, he said there is no vetting in giving the ID cards. That is where the catch is. Remember, Raila has also said he's really fighting that to ondoa a voting card, to vote in ID. And already there are people that have been given IDs, they were not vetted. Are you getting me? Are you seeing the logic behind it?
Yeah.
So what these Acc No are doing are trying to bring that number to 4 million in our mind. It might not be there. They might not even be registering the 4 million. But they want to create an impression that there is 4 million registered voters in Northeastern. So when they will do the computer computer thing, when they will be doing their computerizing, then the 4 million voters will vote through computers. And because they have already said tuko na watu milioni 4 Northeastern na hao milioni 4 wamevote, so hamuta argue. And they said round hii tunaenda kufanya maneno mpaka mtu shangae.
Actually there this Wajir MP, female MP said that wataiba.
Kama ni kuiba wataiba. That is now this number of 4 million might not be there on the ground, but they are trying to build an impression iko. So wakati wao wa kuiba wataiweka tu kwa computer and it will work for them.